how to download HappyMod on iOS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your device's settings and ensure that automatic downloads are enabled in the App Store settings. Next, navigate to battery settings and make sure low power mode is turned off. Then go to General Settings and set background app refresh to Wi-Fi and mobile data for a smoother downloading experience. With those settings adjusted, it's time to download HappyMod. Open your browser and type in appsgin.com. Once on the site, use the search bar to look for HappyMod. Click the green Install button next to the app name, then click the green button with the arrow to start downloading the application. When the download is complete, tap the Install Now button. After that, close the pop-up that appears. Once the installation process finishes, you will see HappyMod installed on your device. Go back to Settings, tap Profile Downloaded, enter your passcode, then tap Install again. That's it. Now you can access the HappyMod app on your iOS device. So that's basically how you can download HappyMod on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.